spectrum of desire.
Welcome to the new and improved with the phone camera only, the inner show with
Babs.
and Jessie.
Hello.
Low energy lang sa takaran.
Yeah, because we're still eating.
Mm-hmm.
And we're doing something
Different.
new and different for today. Akapat na wala.
What's itong buhatom?
We are going to read.
Some gay confessions now.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, what an idiot.
Sandali lang.
We are in a very noisy environment.
Super.
As in, kasi wala kaming wala kaming location, wala kaming camera, wala lahat. As in,
At ito pa,
uh,
I think we are going to be papatuloy natin ang pagiging wala. As in, nawala yung gisave ko na confession.
Grabe. Kapag anong nawala, May? Kasi Jessie, ano lang siya, parang si Jessie na siya insecurity sa dog show divas. Na, he wanted to surpass the success of he wanted to surpass the success of dog show divas, but dili niya ma-surpass. So medyo na-depress siya. So nawala na me and so we will do gay confessions and magyayaw about
This.
Okay.
About it. Yeah.
We got this story from Reddit.
Oh my
go,
gosh.
Boga.
Let's get started.
Mm-hmm.
This is from Reddit. It was posted about 200 days ago.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Like, nag-expire na siya after 200 years.
Yeah, I think people are still actively posting.
Oh, really?
So nasty. I love it.
I love it. Ang haba naman yan. Go.
No, matatapos to in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Dear
Make your words clear and
digestible.
Edible. Digestible. Go.
Title is I'm horny for my uncle and the other male occupants of our place.
Oh my God.
Hello. From the Philippines.
I love it. Oh, go.
We have all sorts of kinks in the country. Hello, I'm gay 21. One of the things I really, really like to do is peep and sniff the used briefs of men,
What
especially my uncle.
Oh my God.
We have an apartment here and I've gotten used to peeping at the male occupants through the small gap in the bathroom since I was a teenager.
Oh my God.
It's become my pastime. Or if I want to wank, I really wait for them to shower so I can peep, even if sometimes I can't see their dicks.
Oh my God.
I don't know, it just arouses me by seeing them touch their bodies, especially their dicks. Therefore, there is really something about peeping that I can't restrain my urges and myself from doing it. Whoa.
What it? The wanking?
You just can't.
The peeping?
Yeah, the peeping, it's unclear. The peeping ata, like, napubuang siya.
Love it. Mm-hmm.
And if their laundry is out, I really take the time at night to look for their used briefs or underwear to sniff. The smell is super addictive.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
That stinky smell, plus the smell of downy depending on the user, but you love it while jacking off in the common bathroom. So I just continues on saying na parang, but I really like to peep at this uncle of mine.
No?
I really like to peep at this uncle of mine because he's super masculine and the type that's perfect for porn. His sex appeal is really something else. It's strong. He sleeps in the living room in our house because he stays there if his work is near us kasi parang construction worker, carpenter daw siya. At night, I really go out of my room to look at his bulging dick, but I never once dare to touch his because it's very risky. It's very, what's that movie?
Ano?
That movie na si Tito Joe.
Ang lihim ni Antonio.
Yes. I like every physical thing about him. His pubes that look perfect, not too bushy, perfectly trimmed. His hairy armpits that I want to know the smell of. His very well-defined abs. His veins on his hands and dick. Pakita na niya?
Wow.
His smell is very erotic. Wow, it's a different kind of excitement and happiness when I catch him showering. Kasi he's a peeping Tom nga.
Mm.
Then at night, I'd look for his used briefs in the laundry basket to sniff to the max. And imagine him in every wild fantasy I have of him. That's where I jack off and he's the one, and I cock or body worship him. I'm just stuck with sniffing and peeping. Any tips or suggestions on how to make a move? And ikaw, do you have peeping moments too? Akala ko he's going to ask like, any tips or suggestions on how to stop? Di ba lang?
Pero nada siya plano na mag-ano na.
He wants
To
like,
continue
get better.
on.
Oh, he wants
To
at
get
it.
better at not getting caught. No?
Yes. What are your thoughts about that?
I think tananta na ay kinks, no? Whatever obsession it is. And I assume straight ang young uncle. So kasi parang
Yes.
when we were kids, siguro sa even straight people, no, we have this sexual awakening towards opposite sex or the same sex. 'Di ba? Na parang ang sexual awakening nato we usually it usually starts as sexual awakening nato parang sa mga media materials
Mhm.
like comics, graphic magazines, since digital na karon, digital photos, videos, and for this one mas exciting siya kasi na-develop na yung iyahang peeping Tom through
Those.
sa personal
Yeah, I like that you bring that up because it parang really substantiates ba the behavior in a way that gives us an understanding. Bakit ganon? Why do we have these desires that are sort of unconventional from normal behavior?
Kaya kabalo ka, ang peeping Tom is not a really new.
Yeah, it's
Hindi
not.
mo siya sickness eh. Kasi parang feeling ko at one point in our lives, whether
Everyone
you're
does it.
hetero or gay or whoever, everyone does it. Di ba?
They just don't talk about it. In the same way that every guy, kahit like straight or bakla, like lalaki, try to suck their own dicks.
Exact. Ay,
And-
really? Na-try na, di ba? Kung na siya na-try. Pero also, pero wait, kama na ako na-remember na gusto na ko siya i-connect dito sa media or sa medium, like the male gaze and the female gaze in films, in sculpture, in comics. Di ba? Parang ginasexualize natin sila because of the peeping Tom that we
Yeah,
developed
yeah.
during our teenage years. Di ba? So parang, it's kind of a fantasy na gina-fulfill. Pero, gani siya, di ba na, he doesn't like to touch it, pero he likes watching it. So parang he finds satisfaction in just watching it, but not really. Parang ang satisfaction niya dito sa fact na dili niya makuha.
Right. And it remains a fantasy.
Right. Correct. Ikaw, what do you think? I think it's normal.
Yeah, I think it's normal. People don't talk about it. Like, kanang, oh my gosh, wait lang.
Pero di ba nag-start ang mga sociopath, psychopath behavior?
No, I don't think so. I think it's just curiosity. That's all.
No, pero kasi when you become an adult, and then it becomes a behavior na hindi na siya hobby eh.
Unless like kinareer mo talaga, which is his plan. So, very good. You're on your way to becoming a sociopath.
Pero parang, I think
It's harmless.
it's harmless. Pero parang, siguro ang church lang or ang religion lang ang nagtudlo sa tuan na it's kind of immoral to do those
Right.
things. Pero, for us, bisag unsaon nato, I think normal yun siya, no?
Normal siya in a sense that
But is it dangerous?
you are just trying to scratch an itch. Not dangerous? Not really. Kasi you're just watching. You're not doing anything harmful to the person that you're. I'm sure, of course, privacy issues.
Yeah.
But if nobody knows, then it's harmless.
Do you think
Joke.
it is,
It's
um,
freaky, yes.
is it a form of sexual abuse?
Oh my God. I'm not the best person to talk about that now.
technically, or whatever, is it a form of sexual abuse?
It's just weird if you're doing it siguro. Yeah, I think so at some point. Because if
You are violating the privacy
the
of
privacy
the person.
and
Mas labaw na pag ipakalat mo, no? Like, you take photos. Well, actually,
Yeah.
ibang kink din yung nagtitake ka ng photos, no?
yeah. Ang tawag doon ay filmmaking.
Pero,
Wait lang, gina-process na ko ang everything I'm saying because feel ko, like, kung dorm mates kayo, ganon. Tapos, you're about the same age. Like, yeah, there's no harm in doing
but
that.
it's one uncle.
But if it's like an uncle and then to someone like younger, like a minor, then definitely that's like incorrect behavior.
Yeah, pero objectively, is it still incorrect to be a peeping Tom? Kasi inaano mo na yung privacy ng ibang tao.
Oh my gosh, I'm so bad for saying this, but I feel like it can be a phase. It's like one of those manifestations of curiosity that people go through. I've had those moments in my like childhood, and ikaw man din, you've had that. Like,
No, I think everyone, no. Na parang, also parang, sometimes, no, pag, when you are a kid or when we were younger, mas gusto nato na naatay, someone to look up to labaw ng katong mga older people. Older than us. Pero feeling ako, no, eventually, mag-develop siya into something na parang mas attracted ka na sa mga older people, sa mga daddy-daddy. Ana yata ang development ng behavior.
If this guy really like kanang presses on, feel ko madami siyang it can be the foundations of a behavior, of a recurring na kanang trait that he will be bringing into his adulthood. But if okay, I'm done now with that phase, then I think it's not really like going to progress into something crazy.
Although ako curious po ko, giunsa niya pag-develop sa ingon na behavior.
Curiosity. To me, it really just boils down to curiosity and the idea na you're just looking. You're not doing anything and it's harmless.
Yeah, pero I also see a lot of people. Although ako personally, dili ko kuan, wala ko kink na mag-amoy og brief sa ubang tao labaw na pag wala pa siya nalabahan. Pero I see a lot of people sa Twitter na kink nila ang
Yeah, in the same way that they have like some people have sniffing armpits na king.
Sniffing armpits,
ano pa ba?
sniffing feet.
Yeah.
Tapos na uban, parang isniff ang imong breath. Nakaingon na king.
Very specific. Very specific kind of breath that I like.
Yung parang amoy
lalaki.
angel's breath. Amoy lalaki. Pero dili siya baho. Angel's breath ka ng katong cologne na
Ay, wala ko
90s. Angel's breath.
I thought like powder na siya.
Dili, cologne yata na siya.
Anyway, very specific na amoy na breath sa lalaki na kanang very masculine.
Ano siya? Parang musky.
Na siya ikuan kanang nag-inom siya gamay tapos nagyosi siya gamay.
Oh, really? Ganyan ka nga. It reminds you of
Kanang it's just very dominating and I associate that with like kanang masculinity and kanang a dominant energy, that's all.
Pero kabalo ka, curious po ko, no? Kay ang sulti niya, wala siya desire to really touch the deck or whatever, na parang wala siya desire na maangkon good ang katong gina-fantasize niya.
Yeah.
It's more of the thrill.
Yeah, of like,
not getting
peeping.
it.
Yeah. I think that's a very valid na kanang way to look at it. Nga, mukha mo yung harmless siya. But privacy issues lang. In a way. Wala ko na yung like totally harmless.
Parang curious po ko kung sa may tabo na, what if there will be an opportunity na i-offer sa iyang uncle ang iyang deck sa iya? Will you refuse or not? Kasi it might not be as satisfying pag nakuha na niya ang deck sa iyang uncle. Kasi parang, wala na yung thrill. No, done na.
Deed is done, man. Then he's gonna go look for something parang more deviant.
More deviant and more unattainable.
Oh, yeah.
More siyang fantasy lang yun para sa iya.
Yeah. It's parang, katabi to yung imong games ako before nga kanang, kung ano sa team sa cold war or something
Siguro
related
consulting.
to that,
Ano siya?
na kung like i-love na ka back kay di na ka ganahan.
Ay. Kasi napugaingon ana na ano, napugaingon ana na attitude na
Gusto
pag nakuha
ka.
na nako,
Oo.
gusto nimo, pag nakuha na nimo, parang it's not as
Yeah.
satisfying as dili nimo siya makuha.
Right? Na parang there's something about like desiring.
Right. Pero
May
wala
desire.
siya nag-stem from my peeping Tom behavior.
Okay. So,
Although
ano
nag-peeping Tom
nag-stem?
po ko dati.
I think
Nag-stem siya
tanan.
sa fact na ginareject ko permis. So parang it's better to to have
sorry about that. Let's
to
parang
desire for
these
someone
people
young.
rejected you.
Yeah, I know. Too bad for them.
And too bad for those who are not closing the door when they're showering. Masilipan jud.
Pero ang akong understanding ato nung nagbuhat siya og peephole.
Sabi kasi niya apartment eh. So parang I'm guessing their apartment is
Communal.
and it's like the usual, alam mo yun,
Anong?
parang
Boarding house?
boarding house vibe na parang there's like hindi talaga siya standard ang construction of the door or whatever.
Yeah.
May mga small
I think
slits
that's the exciting part of it.
of
Actually,
staying in a boarding house like that.
yeah, na-imagine ako siya na Pinoy boarding house na parang kahoy siya.
Right? Yeah, exactly.
The communal toilet, communal shower.
Yeah.
I mean, tapos na-actually certain amoy labaw na pag exclusively male dorm siya.
I know that smell too much.
Yeah.
Too well.
Na parang, tapos parang nagsuti ba siya na construction worker?
Yung uncle.
Yung
Yung uncle. Or parang carpenter.
Wait lang na ukiki. Na parang, na siya smell na parang na parang it reminds you of of the masculinity na parang gina-desire nimo.
Right.
Meron na siya amoy na, di ba?
Amoy lalaki.
Napugay thrill na nakuha na sa fact na mahuhuli ba ako ngayon or hindi. Parang ganun. Di ba? Di ba you get some sense of parang satisfaction.
Thrill, yeah. Like there's just the thrill of doing it and then the risk of being caught.
Do you think or do you wish for that person to develop some other kinks other than peeping Tom and sniffing underwear?
Well, I would love for him to progress in life and
Minsan man,
sniff.
mapawi na lang siya.
Mag-poppers na lang siya.
Mapapper. Pero all in all, I think it's the thrill of
Yeah,
not being caught.
yeah. And
And fantastic.
generally it's generally exploring your fantasies and your desires.
Yeah.
And there's nothing more to it.
And not getting what you want.
Yeah.
But you just, siguro ang uban, if they see satisfaction by watching porn, so kani siya by watching the real life deck.
Yeah, and like kanang it's nakakatakot. Oh my God, am I gonna get in trouble?
True. Correct. Laban na pag kumakuha ba niya to siya, exciting siya
So
actually.
ano ang message mo para sa kanya?
Go on. Go lang. But I'm not sure kay napod siya ethical issue po, diba?
Like, and I
Pwede
feel
naman punta perfect na magsuti nga, ay, dili, immoral na siya. Kaya,
I feel so immoral by saying na it's harmless. Now I'm thinking about that again. Again lang, I'll keep reflecting on it and then I'll come back.
yeah, but
Then
we've
answer.
done it some point in our lives,
No
diba?
one died because we did it.
Yeah. Unless, of course, lain na po itong kuhaan ni mo video, kuhaan ni mo photo,
Correct.
lain na siya. Pero for just peeping, I'm not sure if it's right or wrong. Dili po kasulti because I'm not the right person.
Ako na ko lived experience related to this, but like kanang it's just there. It just passed
What
by.
there?
I'm done na. I mean, it's in the back of my head, like part of my childhood, whatever.
Wala siya na wala siya na
Oo.
develop into something sociopath.
Oo. I
Ano?
mean, like right now, do I look like a sociopath?
Yes, you do.
Di naman nag-translate ang act. Di naman ako naging crazy person because of that. It's just
Pero nagsabi ba siya how old na siya?
21.
Okay. Past his teenage years.
Siguro kung 35, gituyo na siya.
Yeah, I think ano na siya.
Ano siya ka na, mura na siya routine, hobby. habit,
Yeah. Embedded again sa iyang ano.
sa iyahang
Self.
key.
Yeah.
Correct.
So,
And
yan. Muna to show.
yeah, that's it.
Ano, may masulti.
Madami pa kami mga confessions na i-share from Reddit.
Yeah.
So, ang payo ko lang is go keep on sleeping
Yeah.
and
And
on following.
your fantasy. O to, boring no?
Dili man. I
Wala ka
think
na bore?
Ang giisip na ako kaysa maminaw ani, parang gusto po sila mag-react.
Ah, really? Labaw na si Carla Stefan Singson.
Yeah.
Piping Tom Mera ba siya? Ayun lang. This is Babs.
I'm Jessie.
And this is the Inner Show with
Bad.
and Jay-Z. Bye, guys.
Okay. Sige na, next na kayo na po kay Kuan, Babs. Na isa. Ganan Kuan.
Isa pa lang?
Sige, go mag-shoot patag more.